Welcome to the video. In this session, we are going to discuss the topic single row subqueries. The queries that return only one row from the inner select statement is called the single row subquery. This type of subquery uses a single row operator. These are the single row comparison operators: greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Let us discuss an example in which we are going to use the single row subqueries. The example is, we are going to display the employees whose job ID is the same as that of employee 141. We select last name, job ID from the table employees, where job ID equal to, so the value for the job ID is, the question says that it is same as that of employee 141. So for this we need to find out the job ID for the employee 141. For this we write the subquery, that is the inner query is select job ID from employees, where employee ID equal to 141. Therefore, the value for the inner query, that is the job ID, is st_clerk. Thus, it has selected the last name, the job ID from the employees table, where the job ID equal to, that is the value for the inner query is st_clerk. In the same way, let us discuss the next example in which we are going to display the employees whose job ID is the same as that of employee 141 and the salary is greater than that of employee 143. Now let us solve this example. Select last name, job ID, salary from employees, where job ID equal to the inner query, select job_ID from employees, where employee ID equal to 141 and salary is greater than inner query, select salary from employees, where employee ID equal to 143. This example displays employees who do the same job as that of employee 141 but earn more salary than him. Now as you can see that the example consists of 3 query blocks. This is the outer query and 2 inner queries. The inner query blocks are executed first, producing the query results st_clerk and salary as 2600 respectively, and the outer query block is then processed and uses the values that were returned by the inner queries to complete its search conditions. Here both the inner queries return single values, that is st_clerk which is the job ID, and salary as 2600 respectively. So this SQL statement is called single row subquery. Note that the outer and the inner queries can get data from different tables. Thank you.